guys. Well, got Dad's tiller running. The carburetor needs a little bit of work. I didn't touch it. I just put some gas in it. But yeah, it works. So yeah, not just I just I had to get this out of the way to get my air conditioning machine. So, figure, well, I got a little bit of gas in the can yet. Might as well use it. See if this thing will start. And it stinks. It puffed out some white smoke when I started it. So, yeah, I got to go through the carburetor, but hey, it works. I don't think that thing has but 10 hours on it. Dad bought it, used it a few times, got frustrated. Now, that's what it is. So yeah, a little update here. I haven't been updating. I've been depressed. So yeah, here I got some. My neighbor redid his yard and gave me his stone and fill. It looks like screenings and not screenings, millings and some rock. So I got to put some stone on top of this. Alright, air conditioning machine. I got that out of the shed. It's hot today, and the air conditioning machine, I got that out of the shed, and I got to clean it up a little bit before I take it in there. I want to work on Dave's Ranger. Look at all the parts. Not all of them. Some more inside. That's just the freaking metal trash. It's not even all the carb cleaner. What a mess. You know, I don't have a parts washer yet, so I use carb cleaner and brake cleaner to clean all my parts with. And I ran out, and I wanted to get it done. I actually cleaned the valve covers in the sink with freaking Dawn. So, yeah. Anyway, I know it's blurry. I want to get a new camera soon, but all right, let's see how it is in here. A little update for you. Oh, the air conditioner is running in here. It is quite warm today, so I'll just turn the light on so you guys can see. We all have the opposite of ceiling lighting. We have Polish lighting right now. It's on the floor. So yeah, I started on the electrical. Thank you, Thane. Gadget73 to you YouTubers. Yeah, we got started here. Outlets there. Up here is going to be receptacles for the lights. These plug into a cord. See right there. So yeah, that's what we're going to do there. Those are my outside lights. I got 4 of them. Those are for the front of the garage. I got to get something for the side yet. I got my wire. Last time Thane was here, we ended up getting 2 rolls of 14 stranded instead of 112 and 114. So there's my other 12. But yeah, I've been working on the Ranger Danger. Oh, air compressor's in here. My neighbor helped me move that when he spread the dirt out for me. So Ranger Danger. It's all back together, but yeah, it's so damn hot. And I gotta drive this thing a bunch so I can get the drive cycle in to get the emissions test done. So I'm not driving this thing with no air conditioning. I'm not a beast. I'm civilized. So yeah, it's not good for the system anyway, because there's something wrong with the freaking. I think the gem module's bad. There's a generic electronic module, I think they call it. I think that's bad because the interior, the dome light stays on all the time, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I think the bulb's pulled out of it. That and the AC compressor never shuts off. That's something to do with that. But I'm just trying to get air conditioning, and well, the problem is that the thing is click, 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 because it's always low on Freon. You know, if it's going to run all the time, let it run all the time. I know my Dodge Dakota had a problem like this when it was newer. I don't think it did it anymore. I think a dealer fixed it right before the warranty expired. But yeah, same thing with my Dakota. The damn AC compressor would run all the time. But you know, this one's low on charge, and it's just annoying as shit. It's like click, 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 click. That ain't good for the clutch. So I'm just going to charge the air conditioning. Hopefully it gets cold. We'll take care of the other problems later, because yeah, we had a lot going on here. I'm almost done. I put new cylinder heads in the truck. Everything's in the boxes. New cylinder heads in the truck. I had three bad exhaust valves, and I was told these heads are no good, and they're prone to cracking. So rather than have them rebuilt, I just bought new castings. These are improved castings over Ford castings. So that's all together. New freaking cam phaser back there. All new gaskets and stuff. I didn't change any of the hoses. They're all original. They're the silicone rubber. There's nothing wrong with them. If I put aftermarket hoses on, they're gonna go bad in 2 or 3 years. you know, and I've changed my thoughts on that, because I used to be religious about changing hoses, but you feel around here, they're solid, they're stiff. Yeah, they're decent. So yeah, I fixed the battery hole down. That was broke. The AAA guy, when he put the battery in for Dave, he broke the hole down, and yeah, I had to get that out. What a pain that was. And I noticed, like, you know, my tools are getting worn out. I got to buy a lot of new tools with all this new stuff here. So I noticed my vice grips are completely shot. So yeah, you can see them down there. They are completely shot. There ain't no jaw left. I ended up using these Craftsman ones that were kind of new. I think these were my dad's. And these things bit me, because instead of pushing out on the thing to release with Craftsman's, the old Craftsman's, you push in here. Oh man, my fingers are getting pinched. But you can see it had a better set of jaws on it. So yeah, I got to get some new vice grips. Got to clean up this mess, finish the wiring. Yeah, I got 2 air conditioners for out here. I didn't put the other one in yet. I don't have the wiring from the house. I have to get the rough-in inspection. I got to do the rough-in wiring, get the rough-in inspection, and then I get the final inspection. Then I can put my outlets and everything in, turn the power on, get the final inspection, but I can't. So instead of buying another freaking 12-gauge cord to go from the house, I have the one air conditioner out here running, and it's cool in the shop just fine. Now, I'm not opening and closing the doors. So I imagine with the doors coming open and closed, you know, and a hot vehicle coming in, probably you might need 2, you know, especially like we're having Scott Fest. We're going to have it in here, I guess, you know, a lot of the things, you know. So, you know, it's going to need 2 of them running. Hopefully I get the wiring done by then, but yeah, there you go. So yeah, that's the start of things. But yeah, it's a 112, that's 12,000 BTU. And I got another one there. I just bought another one today. And I could have used this one in the house, but this thing is really heavy. I plan on keeping these out here, and I'll build some kind of, I'll put them under the workbenches or something, cover them with bags, you know, when I'm not using them. But you know, it's like, well, I could have used this in the house, but you know, we're gonna need this in 2 weeks a little over 2 weeks for Scott Fest. So I got another one today. Yeah, so I went to Ollie's. That's where I got these air conditioners. Turn this light out. Yeah, anyway, I got another air conditioner. We'll go see that one from the outside. I'm not going in the house. Oh, yep, tiller's still running. Okay. I can hear it. So the carburetor needs some work, but it runs, yeah. I just got this today. Now, the fins are a little beat up. It's a reconditioned air conditioner. I think I paid $172 for it. It's a Toshiba. I didn't expect it to be. It's one of these smart air conditioners. Fancy. But yeah, I got that. And it's keeping, because it's supposed to be 100 degrees on Saturday. You know. So yeah, tiller's still running. Yeah, so there you go. That's Dad's rototiller. I'll have to get a carburetor rebuild kit for it. Or maybe I don't know. I'll just get a kit. I have all the stuff I need. So that's good to know. Hadn't running. I'm trying to think. Dad bought this before I moved. So it's probably right after Lowe's opened. 2001, 2002 he bought this. No, it would have been after the shed. Would have been after the shed was built. So 2003, 2002 or 2003. I built the, yeah, I'm panning over here. The shed that used to be there, I built in 2002. And then this main shed right here, I built it in 2003 with Dad. But yeah, it runs. Then I have a garden. I still want to have a garden. Yeah, this is where my garden used to be, right here. But yeah, I can have some garden up in here. I'm going to take out those flower boxes right there. Oh, this thing is blurry. I'm going to take out those flower boxes right there, and maybe put some more soil in there, put a garden right there. That should work. So anyway, guys, just want to let you know what I was up to. Let's zoom back to 1.0. All right, so there. I don't think I took any real good video of the shop after it was finished. Terrible. Falling down. So yeah, there you go. This is the back side. I don't know why this thing's getting glitchy. I don't know. Anyway, wanted to give you guys a little update what I'm up to. And thanks for watching. Take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.